Here are 20 guided meditations for beginners to try. These are all practices that I have guided and recorded, which you can find linked below. And we're going to start with breathing and body awareness. So number 1 is this breathing awareness meditation. It's about 7 minutes long, and it's really good for stress relief. Number 2 is this body scan relaxation technique. This one is about 10 minutes, and it involves bringing your attention to different parts of the body while you mentally relax them. Number 3 is this heart-centered breathing practice. It lasts about 6 minutes long, and it can help you tap into the energy of love and compassion. Next, we have visualizations, and I have 3 different visualizations here for you. So number 4 is this peaceful beach visualization. It's about 8 minutes long, and it can help you calm down and feel relaxed. Number 5 is this mountain meditation. It lasts about 9 minutes, and it has a visualization that can help you feel more grounded and strong. Number 6 is this cloud watching visualization. It's about 11 minutes, and it can help you observe your thoughts without judgment. Now we're moving on to mindfulness practices. So number 7 is this 5 senses awareness meditation. It's about 5 minutes long, and it can help you bring your attention to the present moment. Number 8 is this mindful walking exercise. It's about 4 minutes long, and it can help you cultivate body awareness while you walk. Number 9 is this mindful eating exercise. It's about 3 minutes long, and it can help you develop a deeper connection to the food that you eat. Number 10 is this grounding with nature visualization. It's about 5 minutes long, and it can help you connect with the natural world around you. Moving on to daily integrations. So number 11 is this morning intention setting meditation. It is about 3 minutes long, and it can help you set the tone for the rest of your day. Number 12 is this evening wind down practice. It's about 4 minutes long, and it can help you relax and prepare for sleep. Number 13 is this quick 2-minute reset. It's 2 minutes long, and it can help you reset throughout the day. Now we're moving on to compassion and gratitude. So number 14 is this love and kindness meditation. It's about 5 minutes long, and it can help you cultivate feelings of love and kindness towards yourself and others. Number 15 is this self-compassion practice. It's about 4 minutes long, and it can help you treat yourself with more kindness and understanding. Number 16 is this gratitude meditation. It lasts about 3 minutes long, and it can help you focus on the positive aspects of your life. Finally, we have focus building meditations. So number 17 is this mantra repetition technique. It's about 5 minutes long, and it can help you train your concentration. Number 18 is this counting breaths exercise. It's about 3 minutes long, and it can help you stay present and increase your focus. Number 19 is this candle flame concentration. It's about 5 minutes long, and it can help you develop a strong focus. And finally, number 20 is another one of my favorite. It's this walking meditation. It's just over 6 minutes long, and it can help you cultivate body awareness and focus. I hope you enjoy these guided meditations, and I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Which one is your favorite? In the link below is meditation accessories that can help you with meditation.